In this video we'll be looking at applying equations to real-life situations. Right, well, to solve some problems, real-life problems, we got pretty much a four-step process. The first one is we need to define the pronumerals to stand for unknown numbers. So for example, if we're working out what the cost of a pen is going to be, we'll use the letter P to represent the cost of a pen. We would then write an equation to describe what the problem is. Step 3, we actually solve the problem algebraically, if possible, or by inspection. And the fourth part of our formula is to answer the question and also to remember to include the correct units. So if we're looking for dollars or years or centimeters and so on, that we actually include that as part of our answer. Okay, well, let's apply that to this little problem that we have here. So the sum of John's current age and his age next year is 19. And the question is, how old is John? Right, well, the first step is I'm going to let the letter J, the pronumeral J, equal John's current age in years. My second step is I'm going to write an equation, and J is John's current age, and the J plus 1 is John's age next year. So plus 1 because it's next year, and equals 19 because that is what we've been told up here. My third step is I've unpacked this little equation up here. So I've ended up with J plus 1. So this is actually going to be 2J plus 1 is equal to 19. Therefore 2J is equal to 18. Therefore J must equal 9. So what I've done here is I've actually solved this little equation. And finally, my answer to the question is John is currently 9 years old, and I got that from the answer to this particular equation. Alright, well, here's a little problem for you to see if you can solve. So Jane is paid $18 per hour and gets paid a bonus of $75 per week. On one particular week, she earned $651. So my question to you is, how many hours did she work that week to earn $651? See if you can work it all out. Put the video on pause and come back when you're ready. Alright, how did you get on? Well, first of all, I'm going to let H, the pronumeral H, equal the number of hours that Jane actually worked. My next step is to create my formula. And 18H is that she gets paid $18 per hour. So that's $18 per hour. Plus she gets $75 a week over here as a bonus. And for the week, she actually earned $651. Step 3 involves solving my little problem. So I've got 18 hours plus 75 minus 75 is equal to 651 minus the 75. Now, I've just gone one step just to show you what's happening over here. I've got the 75. I need to get my pronumeral all by itself. So I've got 75. I need to delete it. And what I do on the left-hand side, I need to do on the right-hand side. So those two cancel each other out. So that means this is 18H is equal to, and this is going to be 576. Therefore, H is equal to 576 divided by 18, and that happens to be 32. So my final step is Jane actually worked 32 hours in order to earn $651, and that would be correct. Okay, so once again, make sure when you're solving a problem that you follow these four steps. The first one is to define the pronumerals that you're going to use. The next one is to actually write the equation. Step 3 is to solve the equation. And step 4, obviously, is to answer the equation using the correct units. And if you do those four steps, I'm sure you get every single question right. That's pretty much it.